I'm in Burridge here, February 28th, 2010. Going for a little bike ride. Done 2.6 miles so far. I'm just west of Harvester Park, just east of Madison Street in Burridge. This is actually Vine Street I'm on. I've just passed 72nd Street. New houses going up here to the right. One being sold for sale. Pretty big homes too. Bump. The bump took this down and that fastened a little bit tighter. Going across Madison onto what's called Willowbrook Circle Parkway. Which goes out to 75th Street. This is in Willowbrook, Illinois now, in the Willowbrook Public Works. To my right, little pond here to the left and to the right. Sure is retention ponds, but they're normally always with water, even during the late summer. It's all frozen right now. Now this road here, which is called Willowbrook Circle Parkway, leads into 75th Street, which then runs into Route 83 up there. You see by the lights, that's Route 83, Illinois Route 83. Stop sign here is Quincy. Now I have done 3.5 miles. This is Quincy right here. Car coming. be careful when you're driving around here. There can be a lot of traffic. Right here is the Village Hall, Willowbrook Hall. This is Frontage Road, which used to be old Route 66, US 66. Okay, 4 miles. Still in Willowbrook. Approaching Burridge once again. I'm going to go underneath the viaduct here. It's underneath the Stevenson Expressway. When I cross it, I'll be in the Burr Ridge. Regardless if I go east or west, it's all Burr Ridge. This is the Stevenson Expressway above me. This road is difficult when it's rush hour. On the other side of the road is a sidewalk, so I always take the sidewalk during rush hour. Coming and going. About 4.5 miles there. Turn right here, go through another industrial park. Whoa, sorry about that. That tightness. I don't recommend this kind of driving. I'm very careful, I know. Not as many times. I can get off to the left real quick if I have to. This is called the Hinsdale Industrial Park I'll be going into.